In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create 3D website designs with Webflow and Spline. Let's get started. Open Spline and create a new 3D scene or edit an existing one. Customize your model by adjusting the colors, lighting, animations, and camera until you're happy with the design. When your scene is ready, click Export and choose the Viewer option. Copy the generated viewer link. Open your Webflow project and go to the page where you want to display the 3D scene. Add a spline scene or embed element, then paste the copied viewer link into the appropriate field. Preview your page to make sure the 3D scene loads correctly. If it doesn't appear immediately, refresh the scene or reload the page. Once everything looks good, publish your website. That's how to create 3D website designs with Webflow and Spline. Thanks for watching.